In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF in Adobe Scan. Now to do this, first you want to open the Adobe Scan app, and then in here you want to go to the Home tab at the bottom left, and from here, as you can see, it's going to say you don't have any scans, so if you never used this before, that's what it's going to say. And then you can see kind of at the bottom middle, you can see that camera icon and a plus next to it. So to do this, to actually make a PDF, you want to click on that or tap on it, and from here you have two options. You could either create from photos or create a scan. So if you want to create a scan, I'm assuming you can have like a paper next to you on your table, for example. You can simply tap on create scan, and that way you can use your camera to basically scan the document just like this using the button at the bottom middle. It's pretty much the same as if you were taking a photo, okay? So that's the first way you could do it. But then there's also another way. So that other way is to actually create from photos. So if you tap on create from photos, you can then select the photo over here. So of course you can show photos, or you could show only documents up top, as you can see, and then you can just tap on the photo. I have one over here which is very bad, it's very bad quality, but you'll see what's gonna happen. So it's on a monitor over here. I just took a photo of a document, and I'm gonna tap on that and tap on the check mark top right, and as you can see here, this is going to start scanning it, and it's going to give me the photo. Now this is a bit messy because my monitor is very bad, but of course if you take a picture of a document on a piece of paper, it's going to be much better. Then what you can do here is of course retake it, crop it, rotate it, etc. There's a bunch of things at the bottom, and then you can just give it a name up top. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then tap on Save PDF at the bottom right. Whenever you do that, it's going to start saving this as a PDF, and when it's done, there we go. As you can see here, I now have a PDF over here. It's still uploading to cloud, but that's essentially a PDF document I made inside Adobe Scan. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.